Most people think democracy began in ancient Greece, and that's interesting. But what if I told you the Vikings had their own version of democracy, way before modern parliaments? Thing was a system similar to a parliament, and that system helped shape today's democracy in Norway, the UK, and even America. The word thing, spelled T-H-I-N-G, comes from Old Norse. It simply meant assembly or gathering. Local things were held in villages, but the grandest of them all, called the Althing, brought thousands together in Iceland, starting as early as 930 AD. These meetings weren't led by kings or lords. Every free man had a right to speak, debate, vote, and pass judgment. In many ways, it was direct democracy, Viking style. The Vikings had no written laws. Instead, a respected person called a Lawspeaker memorized every law and taught it to the public. Disputes, both crimes and the like, were discussed in public. There were fines for misdemeanors like theft. Serious crimes were declared exile or outlaws. Outlaw means expelled from society. It is forbidden to help you, and there is no punishment, even if you are killed. When the Vikings went to England and Ireland, they took their legal systems with them. Especially in the Danelaw regions, Norse law codes blended with Anglo-Saxon laws. That is one of the bases of the modern legal system called British common law. Even today, the district courts in Norway are called tingret, a continuation of the Thing assembly. The Althing, a parliament in Iceland, began in 930 AD. Today, it's still active, making it the world's oldest continuous parliament. The community that formed around Viking laws, the radical idea that power lies not in the hands of the king, in the hands of the people. Such a system was a massive innovation at a time when monarchies dominated. That system later paved the way for the British Parliament, the American Constitution, and Scandinavian democracy. So, did the Vikings invent democracy? Not exactly, but they practiced something very close: a law-based, people-centered system. If this is interesting, like this video and subscribe. If you want to know more about Viking punishments, outlaw rituals, exile systems, comment Viking Law.